So this is my Toyota Corolla 2010 commuter car, just for running back and forth to work. And winter time's coming on, and I've got a headlight here. It's been cracked and it's sucked in moisture, plus they were getting kind of faded. And then the other side here is just getting kind of foggy too. So I got a new set we're gonna throw in. So I'm gonna show you the quick way of changing these. Typically, you'd pull a bunch of screws out, top and bottom, around the ends. But we should only have to remove about half these bolts to change these lights. Okay, so the ones we're gonna go after easily is this one. We're gonna need to pull that one out, and then we'll lift this up, and there's one hiding under here. We should be able to just flex that enough. Also remove this clip. It's a 10 millimeters. Get that one out. Phillips screw. And this little clip. Try to be gentle with it. Pull that out. Then under here, there's a bolt. If you're careful and pull that back enough, we can get that 10 millimeter bolt out too. All right, then we have in here, we have a screw here, a little clip here. And to make it easy, I'll turn that wheel to the left, and that'll give me clear access into that. Okay, so the bolt we're after, right there, a little ratchet, 10 millimeter socket. Get in here and remove that. And that should be the last bolt holding that on there. Yep, she's wiggling. Uh-oh. And then, just for giggles, we'll pull these front ones off. Then right down here, that's just kind of clipped in there. I should be able to pry that out. Fix it in. While you're removing this, it'd be a good time to pull your bulbs or disconnect your bulbs. At least. If you keep your lamps inside the housing, then there's less chance of contaminating them with finger oils and such, especially those halogen bulbs. Your standard little bulbs are all right, but your headlight bulbs, you really don't want to touch them and contaminate them with oil. You'll burn them out. You should be able to pull that out the rest of the way. And these wires clip onto the bulbs here, and your bulbs you can just twist out, pull out. There you go. You just don't want to touch that glass if you can help it. So So what we'll do is we'll grab the other headlight housing and we'll transfer the bulbs into it and then reinstall it. So these weren't the most expensive headlights that I bought. I got these on Amazon. I can put a link in the video at the bottom. But for what I paid for them, they're very good quality, very good plastic. I bought some other ones that were not as good a quality plastic. So yeah, I was pleasantly surprised of the quality of that. You just never know when you order something. So I'm taking my time doing one at a time so I know which light goes where. I'm not sure that, oh my goodness. That one is about ready to go. Check that out. All bulged out. That baby's been hot. Sure, it's still working. Headlight seemed fine. I don't have one to replace it with for now. There we go. And these little guys here for the marker lights, I'll put those in. Oh, water's just pouring out of there. All right. Reach. These just go in and a little twist. Okay, that's in. And just stuff this down in here. I think I'll plug these in while I can see them and get to them. Probably a lot to be said for taking the bumper all the way off. So you can see what you're doing. All right. Okay. Okay. There we go. Okay. It's got to have everything lined up. If you're looking down through here, this is where that clip slides into a little clip right here. I was trying to put it in there. It goes here. You get that lined up, everything else lines up good. Like that. Now I will reinsert everything. And then I'll see if I can get this little guy down in here. Piece of cake. And we got a clip that goes in here. Clip that goes there. This guy goes here. Okay. Got one more screw over here. And then we'll reinstall this bolt and rinse and repeat on the other side. So after you get them installed and you go for a drive at night and you find out they're not aligned right, there's an adjustment right there. You can use a Phillips head screwdriver and you come in here and you can adjust this up or down. There is no side-to-side adjustment. Do that at night where you can see where they're shining. Shine them on a wall. If you know they're low, shine them on the wall and you can adjust them up. Pretty simple. There's the before and after.